Hi guys, what's up? I think my last build was a success. Not the video, of course, but the game itself. We played it at home a few times and it's actually quite funny game. So I decided to make another one, a different one. This one is something that I also had when I was a child, so it's quite old game. You can still buy it online. The price is about 20-30 francs. This one is also something that it's unfortunately just much cheaper to buy than make by yourself. My version is going to be a little bit different, and yeah, let's do this. When I was thinking about this project, I thought that it's fast, simple, easy. Guess what? It's not. I will start with the frame. I have this leftover piece of very nice wood, and I'm going to use this to make this frame. I have to cut a slot to these frame pieces, and this main board is kind of going inside this slot. I could do this with my router, but at the moment I don't have a router table. So I have to use my table saw. I like to use table saw for these kind of slots because this table saw is very accurate. I feel that in this case also table saw is a little bit more safe. It feels more safe than using router. I have here a list. This is all the pieces that I have to cut. Total 65 pieces. To cut this I could use my miter saw. It's kind of overkill for these. I'm going to use my band saw. I think I will get good result for these with my band saw. I hate these stickers. That's sometimes very annoying to get away. This was pretty good this time. There's still this glue, and that's something that I get rid of. I'm just using brake cleaner. That's a good one. Okay, here are now all the pieces what I need. I had a little bit luck. These pieces are all which are left. It was getting very close. Okay, this bandsaw, it's really not the best machine to do this. Cut is fine, kind of, but these are not all straight. It's not 90 degrees. So I will just use the sanding machine and clean these ends. I don't want to take away much because this length of this piece is of course important. Next, I'm going to make all these edges round. I'm going to use my router for that and a router bit which will make all round. Now we have smooth edges all over this thing. I also sand it with the 120 paper and it's pretty smooth. I have here printed to a paper all these locations for the wood pieces, these walls, and also for the holes. And before I will start to glue these, I will drill all the holes. That's actually pretty simple to do with these papers. I will just put these all here, something like that. Now I will take this and mark all the places for the holes, and then I will drill the hole, of course big enough that this ball can go inside. I want to sink these holes. This is quite sharp, but that's my biggest bit and it's just too small. So I just have to go old-fashioned way with sandpaper, and it actually works pretty good. It doesn't have to be much. Now I will start to glue these pieces of wood. Luckily, when I cut these woods, I wrote to every wood how long this is, and in this paper I have all the measures which is coming where. this one I'm going to give my all-time favorite finish, which is T-coil. It's been a long time since I used T-coil last time. Next I'm going to attach this back panel. I could glue it, that would be easy, but then it would be impossible to take off if needed. If there's going something inside which doesn't belong there, it's very hard to get out if I can't take this back panel off. So I'm just going to use some nails. First I have to drill a hole to one of these lower corners. When the ball is going in, then this ball can come out. Next I have to find the middle point of this back panel. I'm going to install my secret, never seen before feature to this game. Okay, let's do this. Let's try this game. This is quite heavy. That's why I made this stand. Kids can't hold this very long time only with their hands because it's quite heavy. I also don't think that kids want to even play this kind of game anymore. I also don't have a real metal ball, so I just have this kind of a marble, and this is also a little bit bigger than the original. And of course this original is totally different, this system, how it moves. This is really my first time trying this. Let's see how far I can get. It doesn't look so easy. See you next time!